super excited today because, first of all, y'all, I have been traveling all summer. It's September. It's September 20 something. All summer I have been on a plane. I have been gone. I have no more trips this year until my brother's wedding, which is not until the end of the year. And so I don't want to go nowhere. I don't even want to be outside, y'all. Like, I am a homebody for sure, and I've been outside all summer, so I'm about to be inside this fall, okay? So I feel like I really am in this nesting phase. Like, cozy season is upon us, and I really was like, I have not like updated the decor in my house in a year. Like, I haven't done anything this year. So I'm like, well, what can I do now to make it more homey? You know, like, I had my initial design, interior design, whatever. Now I'm like, okay, what else can I do to just make it more homey? So I decided to purchase a new couch. And it just came today and I'm so excited. So I want to show you guys the progress, because last night your girl moved the original couch that was in here upstairs to one of my bedrooms. And when I told you it took me a long time to do that by myself, I was trying not to do it by myself, but I didn't let that be the last time your girl gonna have to move a couch alone, okay? I'm gonna let that be the last time, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like right now. It's crazy when you move the furniture out and it looks so big. You're like, oh my goodness. So I just have like a lot of new ideas for things that I want to do. So let me show you guys what's going on. All right, so this is the updated area. So y'all know this is my kitchen. We have like the C tables over there, so those actually have the USB ports on it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep those down here or put those upstairs or give them away, but I just moved them to the side for now. I did switch the rug. This rug was actually upstairs in one of my bedrooms, so the one that was here I put upstairs, and one that was upstairs is now down here. And then we have the two barrel chairs over there. I don't know if they're gonna stay here, but I just put them there for the time being. And then I'm gonna just fix this up, get rid of this plant, because when I put my Christmas tree is going to be there. But I bought a sectional, so, and then this is what this side looks like. So y'all, you know, have seen this. This is my fireplace. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. Like, I might get a new coffee table to be more fitting, but I bought an L-shaped sectional. I did get it in this beige color, and so I'm gonna reposition it so that the L shape, it will come here. It's gonna be on this side versus that side, so I can have that space be open. Before, my couch was over there and it was like a kind of like an L-shaped couch, but I felt like it cut off. Really, my thinking is November 1st, I'm putting up my Christmas tree. I want to be able to enjoy my Christmas tree. With this couch here, you can't see what's going on at the bottom, and it's a whole aesthetic thing, you know what I mean? So I want to be able to sit in this corner, watch TV in front of my fireplace, and admire my Christmas tree. That's what I want to do. So FedEx just dropped off my couch. It is in my garage currently. Let's go ahead and put it up. Okay, so these are the boxes. FedEx dropped them off. So let's go ahead, and I think I'm gonna unpack them out here and then bring them upstairs. So let's get to it. All right, yeah, so the sofas have been, or the couch has been unboxed. Left the boxes in the garage. I like doing it that way because it's just, then I don't have to deal with all the mess that packaging comes with. So the couch is here. So we're about to set this up. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. No, like, let's get to it. Okay, so I am super excited, y'all. This is how my place is looking right now. I love it. I think so this is a condo, and I think the thing about designing or decorating for a small space is you really, like, the number one hack is you really have to make sure that you take out that measuring tape and you get the right furniture for the right size house. Like, even though this is a sectional, it does not look like super small. It doesn't feel tight. There's still very much like an open floor plan. And now I have like even more seating. I'm gonna just step back so you guys can really see. Like, it feels like a small space, but it doesn't. Like, it feels very cozy. It's still very much an open floor plan. And now that I kind of like moved, again, my other couch was kind of right here and it just chopped up this room, but now I can, move this back a little bit, and I'm just super excited. Oh, look at my nails. My nails look so cute. I got the chrome, y'all. Anyway, I'm getting distracted, but these are really cute. They're like rose gold. Anyway, when I put my Christmas tree over here, now I can sit in the corner and admire my Christmas tree, as opposed to before I do all this work to put my Christmas tree up and then it's covered. The bottom half is covered by the couch that was there previously. So I'm super excited. It feels more conversational. Again, more people can actually have a seat here. And then I just love, so let's just get into the couch itself. So this couch actually came from Amazon, and I was a little bit nervous. I knew the measurements of the couch that I needed. I knew I needed a small sectional, but I also wanted something that was comfortable, something that was functional, and something that was modular, right? And what I love about this is a modular couch, and I'm gonna drop the link to it in the description, but I can literally rearrange this and make the space look so different, right? If I wanted to switch it up every single season, I could do so. And that's what I really love about this piece. The other thing is, you can see all these pieces have a little lip to them. So every single seat has storage, every single seat. And that's another thing that I really liked about this couch, because again, this is somewhat a small living room. It's a small space that I'm trying to maximize, right? And so having storage in every seat helps, because I don't have a whole lot of like doors here. Like, on this level, there's not a whole lot of storage space. So now when it kind of allows me to go and buy like fall decor, Christmas decor. I can store them under the seats and not feel like I'm stuck with like this design for all 4 seasons. So that's what I really liked. And there's a lot of space. So I'm just gonna, this is my C table, which I also like as well. So like this is pretty deep. I don't know if you can tell. I don't have anything in here, but it's pretty deep. But all of these seats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have storage. Like, this is a lot. And then what I also liked about this, so this is actually a footrest that I just kind of added to the side here to extend the seating, but I can easily move this footrest in the corner and kind of turn this into a bed situation for guests, which would be really nice. The other thing too that I was on my research when I was looking at these couches is this actually comes with a connector piece. And so the connector piece helps to hold the couch in place, so that if it didn't have the connector piece, the alignment would be all over the place, which I hate that look. So this stays, it can hold its shape because it has the connector pieces, which I really like. Also, the shipping, like, I think I bought this maybe like midweek last week, and it came on Monday. Like, it actually came earlier than what was expected when I first bought it. So the shipping came fast. All of the pieces arrived at the same time. I did see some reviews where it seemed like some people it was like a week in between the shipments. All of my pieces arrived at the same time. I put this I carried this inside the house myself and put it together myself, y'all. So this is super easy if you live alone or whatever the case is and just want, you know, a nice sectional. It's like super easy. And it's so comfortable. Like I've actually already taken countless naps on this. So I just want to give y'all a quick review of the couch because it's super cute. Now, of course, that I have my space, y'all. It's time to decorate. It's time. It's fall. Fall is upon us, okay? Cozy season is upon us. So I did do a little shopping, and so I just want to kind of take you guys, do a little haul, so y'all can see what I got, and then we're going to see what works with the space, and whatever does not work, we are taking it back because I do not like to waste my money, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this haul.